Hi, my name is Bart, and today I'll show you how to do the long tail cast on, which is probably the most commonly used cast on method in knitting, and for a good reason. It's stretchy, clean looking, and it works well for a wide range of projects. Here's how to do it step by step. Start by measuring a yarn tail about 3 to 4 times the width of your finished piece. Make a slip knot and place it on your needle. With your left hand, pinch your index finger and your thumb and place it in between the two strands. Make sure that your working yarn is laying over your index finger and the tail is laying over your thumb. Now pinch both strands together in your palm with your remaining fingers. Now bring the needle under the lower strand, then over and under the upper strand, pull it through and release the loop. Again, under the lower strand, over and under the upper strand, pull it through and release. Under, over and under, through the loop and release. Repeat this motion until you have the amount of stitches you need. Don't work too tight or you will find that the cast on edge will pull in once you start working. And that's the long tail cast on. If you found this helpful, I'd love for you to like this video and subscribe to my channel. I post new videos weekly with essential knitting techniques, tips and finishing tricks.